In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor in your Kia Optima. Located under the hood, let's get started. Moving under the hood, we're going to locate the intake tube. We're going to remove these two 10mm bolts using a 10mm socket. Go ahead and take those out. Now you should be able to grab the whole thing and slide it out of the way. Lift it up and slide it up. That'll give you more room to get to the sensor. Now that we have this section of the intake off of the vehicle, we can see our sensor right over here. We're gonna start by unplugging the connector. And for that, we're gonna be squeezing on this tab and sliding the connector off. Just like that. Now we can remove this 10mm bolt. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take it out. Remove the bolt. And now we can grab the sensor. We're gonna rotate it slightly and pull it out. And here's the old one. Next up, we're gonna grab a clean rag and we're just gonna clean the surface where the sensor goes. Let's go ahead and wipe it off. Make sure that there's no debris. And before we go ahead and install the new sensor, we just wanna lube this O-ring that's on the sensor itself to help us with the installation. So go ahead and grab yourself a little bit of silicone. You do not want too much, just a little bit. Now make sure that you get it around the whole O-ring. And now we're ready to install it. Making sure that our sensor is clocked the right way, the connector goes down. Go ahead and slide it in place. Line it up with the hole and push it in. If it helps sometimes, you can wiggle its way in. Make sure that the hole for the bolt lines up, and now you can go ahead and start it by hand. Go ahead and get it snug. It is important that you torque this since we're bolting onto a plastic manifold. So go ahead and get it torqued. Now we can go ahead and plug the sensor. Line it up and slide it in place. Give it a little pull to make sure that it is in place. And now we can go ahead and install the piece of the intake bag. Now we can go ahead and install the intake tube. We want to make sure that we lined up this with the bag. Go ahead and slide it. And now we're ready to install the bolts. Go ahead and start it by hand and get them snug. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.